Hey everyone! In 2026, the process of bringing WhatsApp into your Shopify ecosystem has been simplified into a few strategic clicks. This integration allows you to transition from impersonal emails to the world's most popular messaging platform, which significantly improves order recovery and customer trust. Step 1. Open the Apps section. We are starting in the Shopify admin sidebar. We do this because the Apps tab is the gateway to the Shopify App Store where the integration bridge lives. Log in to your Shopify dashboard and click Apps in the left-hand menu. You can also press Command-K for Mac or Control-K for Windows and type Apps to jump there instantly. Step 2. Search and select a WhatsApp app. Now we are moving to the App Store. We do this to find an official or highly rated third-party tool that can handle automated messaging. In the search bar, type WhatsApp. You will see various options. Popular choices include the official WhatsApp app by Meta for basic order updates, or all-in-one apps like Chatix or Wati for advanced marketing and abandoned cart recovery. Click on your chosen app and select Install. Step 3. Setup and business verification. This is the step where you connect your physical phone number to the Shopify backend. Follow the in-app setup wizard. It will prompt you to. It is highly recommended to use a dedicated WhatsApp business number rather than a personal one to maintain professional boundaries and access automation. You will likely receive a 6-digit OTP code on your phone to confirm ownership. You may be asked to link your Facebook/Meta business page to unlock the official API status, which prevents your number from being banned for sending bulk notifications. Once verified, toggle the chat widget to on in the app settings. Visit your storefront on your phone. You should see the green WhatsApp bubble in the corner ready for customers to click and chat. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.